everybody, welcome back to Learn and Play with Darina. I know it has been a while since I have posted a video on my channel, but here I am again. Today we're going to be doing Fairy Lanterns. Are you ready to open it? I am so excited to open it. Let's open. All of that fit in one box. Okay, so here is the instructions. So let's see what's in there. 2 medium plastic mason jars. Here's one, and here's another one. One small plastic mason jar. Is there? So these are actually the 2 medium ones, and this is actually the small one. Okay, so let's see what else is in. 6 fabric flower pieces. They are right in this bag, right here. So, there's 1 fabric leaf. Oh wait, the fabric leaf is in here. I think the fabric leaf is in here because I don't see any fabric leaves in here. So, this is the fabric leaf. So, let's see what else. Candle lights with battery. I think these are the candle lights, right? 3 meters pink cord. This is the pink cord right here. Where were we? So, here are the braided beige cord and with green fabric leaves. And these are the leaves right here. So, 1 bottle of glue, which one is finally in here. Here is the glue. 1 tube of silver glitter. Here's the silver glitter. 1 sheet of beige tissue paper. Okay, this one is it. Because this is the only tissue paper. There is cardstock sheet of fairy shapes and stands 1 brush. And there's this brush right here. So now let's see how to make it. So we're going to make a long cut right here, and then we're going to wrap it around the jar. So this is the piece that we're going to glue around the jar. So I opened the jar, and then I'm going to brush glue on here with this brush. And then after I'm done brushing the glue on there, I'm going to paste this around the jar. So I am going to brush the glue around the jar. So I wrapped around the tissue paper, and then while the glue is wet, we're going to put glitter. So I'm going to hold it like this and then sprinkle the glitter. I think that should be enough. Can you see the glitter on the jar? So the next thing we're going to do is punch out a fairy. So which fairy should I do? Oh, this one looks cool. What do you think of this? It came with a stand. So it won't fall down. So we're going to put this. We're going to put the fairy inside and the candle too. We're going to let the glue dry, and while we're waiting for it to dry, we're going to do the decorations. So I cut the cord in 3 equal sizes, and we're also going to be putting the flowers. So put all of these in the thread like this. So we wrap around the cord and put the flowers on for the decoration for the lid for the jar. So guys, after decorating and drying the jar, here is our fairy lantern. So we're going to turn off the lights so you could see it. Are you ready for this? It's going to happen in 3, 2, 1! Look at it! Look at it! It's the fairy lantern we just made. What do you think? It's so cool. It looks like there's a real fairy inside of there. The black of the fairy, it looks like it's the fairy's shadow, right? I'm gonna put this in my room for a decoration. So guys, if you want to do this, then all you need is a jar, put a candle in it, cut out a fairy and put it in the jar, and put glitter around it and some decorations. And then you'll have a fairy lantern, like me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, press that like button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. This is another fun activity. And bye! See you here at Learn and Play with Zara.